Hello dear viewers, thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. In the next few moments we're going to embark on a delightful culinary journey, exploring 7 scrumptious and health-packed lunch ideas that are perfect for both children and adults. Healthy eating, as we know, is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle. It's about nourishing our bodies with the right nutrients, to feel good, to stay active, and to lead a balanced life. But who said healthy eating has to be complicated or boring? Certainly not us. With these vibrant recipes, we're going to prove just that. From colorful veggies to protein-packed grains, these lunches are not only going to tickle your taste buds, but also contribute to your well-being. And the best part? They're simple to whip up. So buckle up, folks. Prepare to be amazed by how simple and delightful healthy eating can be. Our first recipe is a vibrant rainbow veggie wrap, a feast for the eyes and a treat for the taste buds. Let's embark on the journey of creating this nutritious masterpiece. Start with a whole grain wrap, the perfect canvas for our edible artwork. This wrap is a powerhouse of fiber that aids digestion. Generously spread a layer of hummus onto this creamy paste is a protein-rich base that will hold together our array of vegetables. Now let's create our rainbow. Begin with thinly sliced red bell peppers by using a sharp knife and making sure to remove the seeds. These vibrant peppers are packed with vitamin C. Follow this with julienned orange carrots, whose bright color indicates they are a fantastic source of vitamin A. Next, add strips of yellow bell peppers, another vitamin C champion. Make sure to chop them thin enough to easily roll in the wrap. Then sprinkle some fresh washed green spinach leaves the top, rich in iron and calcium. Finally, shred some purple cabbage and spread it across, known for its high antioxidant content. Now comes the fun part, rolling up your wrap. Make sure to tuck in the sides as you go to keep all of that veggie goodness inside. And there you have it. You've just prepared a meal that's visually stunning and nutritionally balanced. Each bite offers a different flavor, treating your taste buds to an exciting culinary adventure. And that's how you make a delicious and nutritious rainbow veggie wrap. Let's dive into the preparation of our protein-packed quinoa salad. Begin with a base of fluffy, cooked quinoa, a grain that's versatile and rich in essential amino acids. Rinse the quinoa thoroughly under cold before cooking, then simmer until it's tender and fluffy. After the quinoa cools, add an array of fresh vegetables. Chop up some crunchy cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and vibrant bell peppers. They not only provide a delightful burst of colors, but also offer a punch of vitamins and minerals. Chop a handful of parsley finely for a pop of freshness, and crumble some feta cheese for a tangy twist. The real hero, however, is the homemade dressing. Whisk together a blend of olive oil, lemon juice, and spices until emulsified, ensuring a zestiness that elevates the flavors. Pour this dressing in your salad and toss it together until every morsel is coated. The result? A visually stunning, nutritionally balanced quinoa salad, making it a perfect lunch option. Enjoy this refreshing meal packed with proteins and fibers. Transitioning to a more substantial dish, chicken avocado burritos. This enticing lunch concept is a harmonious fusion of velvety avocado and juicy chicken. The alliance of these ingredients not only ignites a flavor explosion, but also enriches your diet. The avocado, brimming with healthy fats and fiber, champions heart health and facilitates digestion. The chicken, conversely, is a lean source of protein, indispensable for muscle development and repair. Now, let's delve into the creation of these burritos. Initiate the process by grilling your chicken. Use a medium-high heat and cook for about 5-7 minutes per side until the chicken is perfectly cooked and juices run clear. In the interim, mash your ripe avocados to a smooth consistency. Add a splash of lime juice to this, infusing it with a tangy zest. Lay out your tortillas and evenly spread this avocado mixture, leaving a small border to help with the rolling process. Layer your grilled chicken on top and sprinkle a handful of fresh cilantro for an herby note. Carefully roll your burritos, tucking in the sides you go. For a crispy finish, place them on a hot griddle for about a minute on each side until golden toasted. And there you have it! A nutrition-packed and mouth-watering lunch is ready. Your chicken avocado burritos are waiting to be savored. Time to explore our next culinary delight, the invigorating tuna pasta salad. This plate is not only a treat to your taste buds, but also a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with protein from the tuna and complex carbohydrates from the whole grain pasta. To commence, first bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add your whole grain pasta and simmer until it's al dente, tender but still firm to the bite. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. At the same time, in a large mixing bowl, toss together some canned tuna, diced red onion, chopped bell pepper, and a generous portion of halved cherry tomatoes. Make sure the ingredients are thoroughly mixed for a balanced taste. Once your pasta is perfectly cooked, strain it and let it cool down. After it's cooled, blend it with the tuna mixture you've created. Now, moving on to the dressing. A simple yet tangy mix of olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and a sprinkle of your favorite herbs. Gently pour this dressing over your salad, making sure to toss it well so that every morsel is uniformly coated. The richness of omega-3 fatty acids in tuna promotes heart health, while the whole grain pasta ensures you're energized for a longer time. Savor the harmony of health and flavor in this delightful tuna pasta salad. The perfect dish to satisfy your palate. Up next on our culinary journey is the delightful veggie hummus sandwich, a feast for your palate. Your first step in creating this masterpiece is to gather your favorite fresh vegetables. Select vibrant bell peppers, crunchy cucumbers, ripe tomatoes, and lush spinach. These radiant hues are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a clear indication of the variety of nutrients they contribute. The next step in the process is spreading a generous layer of smooth hummus onto your preferred type of bread. When crafting this hummus, remember that the chickpeas are an excellent base as they are rich in protein and dietary fiber, aiding digestion and maintaining a sense of fullness. Also, the tahini in the hummus delivers a boost of wholesome fats and vitamins. Now we move to the assembly phase of your sandwich. Begin by placing your fresh veggies on one slice of the bread, ensuring an even distribution. Add a dash of your favorite seasonings to elevate the flavor profile. You could consider using some freshly ground black pepper, a sprinkle of sea salt, or perhaps a squeeze of lemon for that tangy kick. Once satisfied, cover it with the other slice of the bread, press it gently to seal the ingredients within, and there you have it! You've handcrafted an easy yet mouth-watering meal that's overflowing with vitamins, minerals, and plant-based proteins. Your veggie hummus sandwich is now ready to be devoured, a truly perfect blend of taste and nutrition. Let's now delve into the making of a sweet treat, our Greek yogurt parfait. This dessert is not just a delight to the taste buds, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Begin by spooning Greek yogurt into a glass or jar, creating the base layer of your parfait. This, derived from milk that's been strained in a cloth or paper bag to remove the whey, is a rich source of protein and probiotics, thus assisting in digestion and keeping you satiated for longer hours. Next, meticulously add a layer of mixed berries. You can pick strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or any other berry that you prefer. These small fruits, packed with antioxidants and vitamins, add not just flavor, but also a healthful punch to this appetizing dessert. Now evenly sprinkle on some granola for a bit of crunchiness. Do not forget, granola, often made from rolled oats, nuts, and honey, contributes fiber and healthy fats to your diet. Continue this process of layering until your glass is almost at capacity. Finish off by adding a final scoop of Greek yogurt and a hint of granola on the top. And there you have it. Your Greek yogurt parfait is ready. A perfect sweet finale to a wholesome meal. Last but not least, let's dive into the preparation of our cauliflower rice stir-fry. This delightful meal is as nutritious as it is vibrant. We start with the star of this dish, the cauliflower. Low in calories, high in vitamins, we transform this versatile vegetable into a grain-free, gluten-free rice substitute. The process is simple. Wash, chop, and pulse the cauliflower in a food processor until it resembles rice grains. Moving on to the heart of the dish, the stir-fry. It's a symphony of colorful vegetables. Crunchy bell peppers, tender broccoli, and sweet peas, all bursting with vital nutrients. All these vegetables add not just taste but texture and color to the dish, making it a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. To finish off, we add a dash of soy sauce and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for an extra depth to the flavor. We make sure to stir well, so each bite becomes a delightful experience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to preparing our cauliflower rice stir-fry. A meal that's easy to prepare, packed with nutrition, and absolutely delicious. Enjoy preparing and savoring this healthy and delicious cauliflower rice stir-fry. We've reached the end of our culinary journey today. We took a stroll through the vibrant colors of rainbow veggie wraps, explored the diverse textures of quinoa salad, and savored the creamy goodness of chicken avocado burritos. We delved into the refreshing tuna pasta salad, relished the wholesome veggie hummus sandwich, and indulged in the sweet and tangy Greek yogurt parfait. Lastly, we ventured into the savory realm of cauliflower rice stir-fry. Each dish a symphony of flavors and nutrients designed to nourish both your body and soul. We are so grateful for your company on this journey. We can't wait to hear about your experiences when you try these recipes. Remember, each bite is not just a meal, it's a step towards a healthier, happier you. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. Stay healthy, stay happy.